Hello, hello. Good morning. Once again, this is breakfast time. This is my breakfast foods, reheat rice and chicken, and also I have kubus bread. Yeah, kubus. This is kubus and cook Chinese pizza and fruit and dates, sweet and hot drink. That's my breakfast foods, guys. But ignore my foods. It's up to you. What is your breakfast foods? Okay, let's it. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not speaking English, but I try to speak English so that the other friend they understand little better. Okay? That's it, guys. Little bit hot. Wow. Talagang yung mainit maramdaman ng katawan dito sa tiyan natin. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Okay? Bro, unahin ko naman ngayon to. Hmm. Ang tamis nito. Hmm. May buto. Pero sweet fruit. Hmm. Matamis din konti. May buto din.